can adjust your AC from there.
Is it on or off?
AC on, you can adjust the speed limit. So all these sales team or merchandising team,
Sales team.
teams are
Not
one
sales team. Dealer. Customer.
dealers.
Dealer. Company
okay.
dealer.
one person company CEO.
Okay. My profession also sales and marketing for 20 years. So after 20 years, I give up sales, came for tourism. It was too much pressure.
Marketing এর পোলা।
Tourism, no pressure. Also,
No pressure.
something enjoy.
You can just lock the door, push that button.
Okay.
You're safe.
Now, Sri Lanka economy good?
Now good. Now we are recovering.
Recovering.
Yeah. We were like bankrupt. We were bankrupt
Yeah.
and say we were in minus 10. Now we have come to minus 4. So
Plus
on,
four.
on plus on process, yes.
What do you think about Bangladesh? You know, I think Bangladesh. So,
Yeah, no, but
Bangladesh economy, conditions, everything, and Sri Lanka.
Yeah, see Bangladesh.
What do you think?
Bangladesh
Bangla better or Sri Lanka better?
No, see, Bangladesh has lot of opportunity, lot of resources in Bangladesh. Okay, it's as Sri Lanka. You also don't have good politician. Sri Lanka also don't have good politician. All corruption. No corruption. Your country is good. Our country is good. This is main. See,
So
it's a game.
Here, bad government already gone.
Yeah, our management gone.
So again come, he also corrupted?
No, now good. Now it's good.
Now
Now
some
all
better.
the corruption, president, prime minister, all going jail. All jail. So the route, the network of 77 years, it's very difficult to break in 1 year.
Yes.
So it will take some time, but we are in process. Alhamdulillah.
You is India favor or China favor?
Sri Lanka.
Most population.
Here mostly, India is a neighboring country.
Yeah.
Okay, support is over
India
there.
favor.
India favor, but financially China is favoring.
People like India?
Yeah, people like India. Yes. We have a lot of in the market. If it's all Indian products, India or China.
Like now Bangladesh. Bangladesh people don't like India
Okay.
this time because India.
They want to have some issues to have their politician like that. Now the Indian actor Vijay, he's a good film actor. Now he came to politician. Now he's asking from Sri Lanka, an island from Jaffna. India wants that. So now, Vijay.
Oh.
So he is asking. Now he come to the politician. So he should have one agenda to talk to their people. So he's telling, okay, we have our problem for fishermen, Sri Lankan one island. So this Delf island we need our control. So now small controversy. Now okay, Vijay, we don't like India. Small now, only started.
Tesla নাই।
No Tesla. না এখানে না ভিতরে গেলে বুঝবে। So here what is the main economic product?
Here we export tea, rubber, coconut mainly.
Tea, rubber, coconut.
Yeah, and gems. We have
Gems.
blue sapphire because this country, the planet, there's plate in the world, the plates. So Madagascar plate, it is manufacturing diamond. We in our plate we can manufacture blue sapphire and ruby. So we are the largest manufacturing automatic resource we have of blue sapphire gem. So even China, Taiwan and Singapore, Malaysia, they have their own agent here collecting all the gems for their market. So it's a big revenue for us.
So all are natural, right?
They're all natural.
So
All are natural.
So men make something
No,
like
see,
garments, like some car export.
no
or
car
what?
export. We all import car. All this Maruti, these tuk, everything comes from India. Earlier we had a Japan market.
Men make you have not very important economic product, right?
No. Only
Only
agriculture.
natural.
Only agriculture, natural items. Yes. Because we were doing garment sector, the material. So what happened? Maybe 15-20 years before, the government changed and they, GSP Plus, European benefit, it was take off because we were corrupted and everything. So all these government sectors went to Bangladesh. All these government factories, which this area is an industrial area. So this industrial area, all the factories, because there is no tax relation, everything, all left to Bangladesh. And mostly Sri Lankan in the garment industry living in Bangladesh. Even my relation are living in Bangladesh.
So your people most depends on agriculture.
Agriculture, yes.
ওদের প্রধান শস্য চা জেমসের কি কি স্টোনের যে
Blue color, blue.
মানে কাঁচামালটা
Yes, plates.
So many varieties. Lucky stones are there. So many varieties. I will take you. I'll show you. You can see the showroom. You can see everything there. I will take you. That's a big business because people come from like Arabs. They come, they buy, they go and sell. So we are giving the certificate. All the international certificate we are giving that, so they can market anywhere. So there's a big potential of that business here. And as you know, from 16th century, before 16th century, the China came, Arabs came to Sri Lanka. They had coffee. We had coffee plantations. So they did coffee and spices, cinnamon. They export. They take. Then the Portuguese came on 16th century. 16th century until 17th century, Portuguese was controlled in Sri Lanka. 17th century, Dutch came. Dutch control until 18th century. 1815, the British came, captured all this country. Then after, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, all were under British until 1948.
ইলেকট্রিসিটি লোক লাগে সেম বাংলাদেশ
19. It is under British, right?
Yeah, it was British.
So
Until 1948.
1757 free from British. No, 1857.
1948.
1948.
Yeah.
No, it is
48 হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে
1948 সালে British leave
ভারতের সাথে
from India. So Sri Lanka free
Yeah, before 77 years.
from
Yeah,
from 48, right?
48. Bangladesh same, no, like that.
No, Bangladesh 71.
71.
Bangladesh was under Pakistan.
Pakistan, yeah. So you are traveling from last night or evening from Bangladesh? You live somewhere close to Dhaka or you live far away?
No, many places.
Many places.
6 people from 6 places.
6 places.
Some from far Dhaka, some inside Dhaka. So how long time to Kandy?
Kandy to take about 2.5 hours after breakfast.
After breakfast. So total 3.5 hours.
3.5 hours. Because
And
our check-in time hotel is 2 o'clock. Before 2 o'clock we cannot go to the hotel.
Huh?
Yeah. It is mentioned in this. Because every time check-in time 2 o'clock, check-out time is 12 o'clock.
12.
Before 12, yes.
If room free, also cannot take?
No, usually the proximity we can call and check. If the 1 o'clock if the room is free, I can put you to the room. Because anyway after that after the breakfast while traveling, I will take for one event. So once you finish that, then we'll go for lunch in Kandy in a separate
Lunch in Kandy.
lunch in Kandy. After lunch, I'll drop you to the hotel, so you can have a full day rest today. Tomorrow we'll do Kandy sightseeing, everything. It's good like that.
We need rest.
Yeah, that's all. Yeah.
We are tired.
Because on the way there's one event, the Elephant Orphanage. Elephant Orphanage or Spice Garden. I will check and see with the office, and then according to that, I will put there, visit Overlook, then you can go to Kandy. Now this time is school time, so there's traffic more. Morning 7:30 school start here. School starts 7:30, so morning are very rush.
7:30 school start.
Yeah, 7:30 until 1:30 p.m. 1:30 p.m.
And
school
office
finish.
time 9 or 10?
8:30.
8:30 office.
Yeah, 8:30.
Mine office close 4:30 or
4:30, 5 o'clock.
5?
So private sector, you know, private sector will open 6 until 6 o'clock.
Unlimited. Unlimited. And your dinner time?
This is normal. It's 7:30, 8 o'clock.
7:38. Looks like Bangladesh.
Yeah, see. You can have a cup of tea here. This is a good restaurant here.
এই চা খাবেন?
হ্যাঁ স্যার খাওয়ান যায় একটা
হ্যাঁ?
খাওয়া যায় একটা চা খাওয়া দরকার
1 ঘন্টা পরে আমরা ব্রেকফাস্ট করতেছি after 1 hour. Better go for breakfast.
Go.
We take here some more time.
Or just have a cup of tea and come. Only tea. Chai.
একটা চা
If you're hungry.
চা খাবেন?
চা খাইলে স্যার শরীরটা চাঙ্গ হইব
হ্যাঁ?
একটা চা খাইলে শরীরটা চাঙ্গ হইব
The breakfast.
Yeah, sure.
Before breakfast, drink something is disturbed.
Okay. Now, since you told that there was no food pack
Yes,
there,
yeah. Now they say no need.
Right. I mean, it disturbs everyone. It disturbs everyone. We are about 2.3 million annually tourists are coming here, Sri Lanka. Before Corona. Now, after Corona, it was dropped. Now, raised last year, we exceed that amount.
2.3 million
Yeah.
a year.
So yeah, now last year we exceed that amount. So this year we are targeting about 3.5 million.
So your custom disturbed.
Yeah, so those some
We are not happy. We are good man. We come for visit. We show their hotel booking. We show their return ticket. Again they asking me unnecessary.
বাংলাদেশের ভিতরে ওদের রেডিকুলেট পার্সেন্টেজ
You know, if a tourist custom catch a tourist,
Yeah.
suddenly this tourist big afraid. Huh? What happened? I am guilty. I am a thief. Oh, why they take me
no,
like
no,
this?
not. Don't misunderstand. It's not a thief. It's not a thief. They
Suddenly afraid, they had misunderstood.
Suddenly they understood like okay, if anyone, if I am going to go to Europe or any other country, if I am going first time, they will ask so many questions. Even embassy, it's very process here.
বাপের ছাত্র
Yeah.
আমরা কোনো কিছু নিবার আইসি শ্রীলঙ্কা থেকে
So we can buy something from here and take it Bangladesh. No problem. Your custom.
No problem. No problem. So you are dealing only batteries or accessories also?
Batteries.
অনলি ফর ব্যাটারিজ
Only for batteries. Is it Excite or what brand?
এক্সাক্ট নো লিথিয়াম আয়ন
Lithium battery from China.
China.
ইভি ব্যাটারি
EV battery.
Some lead acid battery locally manufactured. We have our own factory.
Okay.
ইলেকট্রিক্যাল
Chinese. Our factory owner is China.
China. So in Sri Lanka, because I was doing also Degonite batteries, car batteries, you know, the normal batteries.
No,
the refilling, yeah.
lead acid battery. Battery business.
শ্রীলঙ্কা ইউজড এক্সাইট ব্যাটারি মেবি
সব করি তো
না ইন্ডিয়া এক্সাইট টেসলা দেন নাই টেসলা কি যাবেন সব টেসলা বাংলাদেশে গেছে
How is the situation in Bangladesh now, political?
General election is coming in next February. Then situation will be some stable. You know, one government already left the country.
Uh-huh.
They take lot of money and they all people live. They control 17 years.
Okay.
So there is huge unstable situation now.
That
Because
Khalidazia or
they have men, they have power, they have money.
okay.
So they want to unstable the government
Government, okay.
anytime, anyhow.
Uh-huh.
That's why people are afraid. Even bank have no money.
My goodness.
They take maximum money from
Bangladesh.
around 28 billion taka. It is how much?
Big amount.
28 billion dollar maybe. Taka.
I mean, they put in pocket like their own money. This is the problem, huh?
Oh, bank money
Yeah.
their own money.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Duplicate document submission,
Yeah,
duplicate
yeah.
mortgage submission, and take the money. No company, no nothing. Now everywhere they control.
But how is the general economic situation? I mean, people they can still have food. They are
Yes,
they can
people
survive.
still working.
Uh-huh.
There is not a very big problem.
Uh-huh.
এত দূর হয়েছে আমার।
But we can go far.
Yeah,
এবার
yeah.
বলুন দিছি।
But due to bad government, this is India supported government.
গাড়ি যাই আছে, হরন ইউজ দিবা।
India Modi, he himself good,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
he don't want to make others good.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
He want to make others bad,
Yeah.
himself good.
Himself.
Yes.
So everyone greedy for the power. They
Yes.
need the power.
Yes.
That's the problem. Now here in Sri Lanka, before this election, Muslims we had a lot of problem. They say put bomb or Muslim Antawadi, okay, terrorist. So every Muslim they see as terrorist. Even for us, we go, they say, oh, you are Muslim name, you are terrorist because you put bomb. But actually, the government set up the bomb.
Yes.
Okay, Muslim man went and kept the bomb. Okay, say I went and kept the bomb here, but actually the government only gave the bomb to keep there. And they say, okay, see, Muslim only put bomb.
Yes,
So
yes.
when this government come, they search the link. Where is the link? The link, okay, is the Buddhist. Now okay, you are going to catch. Now everyone is going jail. So,
If there is a fair justice,
yeah,
fair rules, regulations,
yeah,
then no problem.
No problem.
Country run very well.
yeah.
But if top level government make this conspiracy, then big problem.
See, our parliament, we had this president, now president, had only 3%, 3 seats in the parliament. He fight for 40 years for justice. He said no corruption. Country has a system developed. So people never trust because they are one time they were having weapons, everything. You know, they are against of the government. They were doing riots and everything. So people didn't want to give them because if they come, they will kill people. They don't know about the politics like
Yeah,
that.
same
Yeah.
Bangladesh.
So what happened? This party, only 3 MPs, they were fighting, always fighting with the government. So we have Rajapaksa government and another Ranil government. These two are friends. You know, like same Khalidazia and Sheikh Hasina. You come here and you come here. You come here. I'll never catch you. I will tell you are thief, but when I come power, I will never catch you. You will tell I am thief. I will never catch you. All Alibaba. Then finally, now when it's bankrupt, because to put full tank petrol, we stay in the queue 7 days. No petrol. So wait, no food, no eat, everything. So this government said, if we come power, we will change the system. So people didn't have hope. They gave 160 of 220 seats, 159 seats for this party. No one with the political background, all educated, engineers, professors, everything like that. Now the government says, okay, you are master in the battery, okay, you handle battery section. Okay, you are in the scientist, you do this level. You are in this, you do. Give the policy, structure, according to that. No political involved now. So now
So
they,
this country will rise very soon.
yeah. So now how they say they come on qualification, not with the political background. We don't want political background. Your father, your mother, your brother in the politician. No, we don't care. Come with the qualification, there's opportunity. So now your generation we like that.
I think very soon Sri Lanka will develop.
Yeah, hopefully.
Much
But
more
you know why still these people 77 years they were ruling. Now they don't like this.
Huh?
They don't like this system.
They also need corruption.
Yeah, they need corruption because they no. Last 77 years the parties, now the opposition, they don't like this system going on because if I'm doing good, I will catch you. So they don't want to get caught and go to the prison. So they are making small problems. They want to have unaware somewhere bomb blast. So to make see these people cannot control this country, to say like that. So that is why you see when you go everywhere, the army checkpoint, police checkpoint, still everything is stable, but opposition making problem.
Yes. It's look like same Bangladesh.
Yeah, same.
Bad people are very strong and very what, tricky.
Tricky, yeah.
And honest people is very